Cats are known for their independent and sometimes unpredictable behavior, and one of the most common and well-known traits of feline nature is their aversion to wearing clothes or collars. Many pet owners have tried to dress their cats in cute outfits or adorn them with collars, only to witness their furry companions quickly squirming, trying to remove the garments, or even completely refusing to wear them altogether. Despite the growing popularity of cat fashion and accessories, most cats dislike wearing clothes or collars, and this behavior is rooted in several factors that involve their natural instincts, physical sensitivity, and behavioral tendencies. The most fundamental reason why cats dislike wearing clothes or collars is their instinctual preference for freedom of movement. Cats are agile, athletic, and highly coordinated animals, designed to hunt, climb, and move quickly. They rely on their physical flexibility and the ability to move freely in all directions in order to react to potential threats or opportunities. Any clothing or accessory that restricts this natural movement can cause discomfort or frustration. A collar, for instance, encircles the cat's neck, which is a sensitive area, and any restriction on this region can feel unnatural or even threatening. Similarly, clothing can obstruct their ability to move their limbs freely, which can trigger a sense of vulnerability. This restriction of movement can cause stress or anxiety in cats, which are instinctively driven to maintain control over their body and surroundings. Another key factor in a cat's dislike of clothes or collars is their heightened sensitivity to touch. Cats have highly sensitive skin, particularly in areas like the neck, back, and belly. Their fur is designed to protect them from the environment, but their skin remains responsive to external stimuli. When a cat is forced to wear clothes or a collar, it may feel the fabric rubbing against its fur, creating sensations that feel strange, irritating, or even uncomfortable. The feeling of a collar around their neck can be particularly distressing because it can mimic the sensation of being trapped or restricted, which could trigger a sense of vulnerability or discomfort. Cats are also particularly sensitive to any pressure on their skin. And the constant rubbing of a collar or clothing against their fur can lead to chafing or irritation, further compounding their dislike. Cats are territorial creatures, and they rely heavily on their scent to communicate with other animals and establish their territory. When a cat wears clothes or a collar, it disrupts the cat's natural scent-marking behavior. The scent of the clothing or the collar may be unfamiliar or foreign to the cat, which can make them feel uncomfortable or disoriented. Cats have scent glands in their cheeks, paws, and other areas of their body, and they typically use these glands to mark their territory by rubbing against objects or people. When they wear an accessory, the scent of the clothing or collar can interfere with their ability to mark their territory effectively. This disruption of their scent-marking behavior can lead to confusion or frustration, causing the cat to reject the item altogether. The design of collars themselves can also contribute to a cat's discomfort. Collars are often made from materials that may not be soft or comfortable, such as nylon, leather, or metal. These materials can irritate the skin, especially if the collar is too tight or too loose. A collar that is too tight can restrict blood flow or cause discomfort around the neck, while one that is too loose may shift or bounce around, leading to additional irritation. Furthermore, collars often have tags, bells, or other attachments that dangle and create additional noise or movement. This can be unsettling for cats, who are naturally sensitive to sounds and vibrations. The constant noise and movement of a collar can cause anxiety or irritation, making the cat more likely to try to remove it. Cats are also known to be creatures of habit, and they thrive on routine. They are not used to wearing anything around their bodies, and the introduction of a collar or clothing can be a source of stress. When a cat is first introduced to a collar or clothing, it is a completely new and unfamiliar experience, and many cats will react by attempting to remove the item or by displaying signs of distress, such as pawing at the collar or shaking their heads. This is a normal response to a new and potentially threatening sensation. Cats rely on their routine and familiarity, so introducing accessories that interfere with their comfort can be unsettling for them. In addition to physical discomfort, cats may also experience emotional discomfort when wearing clothes or collars. Cats are incredibly sensitive to their environment and their social interactions, and they rely on body language to communicate with other animals and humans. When a cat is forced to wear a collar or clothing, it can interfere with its ability to express itself naturally. The added weight or restriction may make the cat feel less agile or more self-conscious, which can lead to stress or anxiety. The cat may also feel vulnerable or exposed when wearing clothing, as it cannot move as freely as it would without the accessory. This sense of vulnerability can lead to resistance or avoidance behavior, with the cat seeking to remove the item as quickly as possible. The psychological aspect of wearing clothing or collars is also significant in understanding why cats dislike them. Cats are intelligent creatures with strong memories, and they can associate certain experiences with negative outcomes. If a cat has had a bad experience with wearing clothes or collars in the past, such as a collar that caused irritation or a piece of clothing that restricted its movement, it may develop a negative association with the item. This association can lead to a strong dislike of wearing clothes or collars, even if the item is more comfortable or less restrictive than previous ones. Cats are creatures of habit, and they are more likely to resist wearing accessories if they have learned to associate them with discomfort or frustration. Despite these reasons, it is important to note that not all cats dislike wearing clothes or collars, and some cats may be more tolerant of accessories than others. Cats with more laid-back personalities or those that have been raised in environments where they are exposed to clothing and accessories may be more accepting of them. However, even in these cases, it is essential to ensure that the collar or clothing is comfortable, fits properly, and does not cause any physical discomfort. For example, soft, adjustable collars with breakaway features may be more acceptable to a cat than rigid, tight collars with heavy tags or ornaments. Clothing made from lightweight, breathable fabrics may also be less irritating than heavier, stiffer materials. The key to introducing clothes or collars to a cat is to do so gradually and with patience. It is essential to start by introducing the accessory in a low-pressure environment, allowing the cat to explore it at its own pace, gradually increasing the amount of time the cat wears the item. While providing positive reinforcement, such as treats or affection, can help the cat become more accustomed to the accessory. However, it is crucial to respect the cat's boundaries and not force it to wear something it clearly finds uncomfortable or distressing. Cats' dislike of wearing clothes or collars can be attributed to a combination of physical, behavioral, and emotional factors. Their natural instincts, high sensitivity to touch, territorial nature, and reliance on freedom of movement all contribute to their discomfort with accessories. While some cats may tolerate wearing clothes or collars, many find them irritating or stressful, leading to attempts to remove the items or resistance to wearing them altogether. Understanding a cat's perspective and respecting its boundaries when it comes to wearing accessories can help maintain a positive relationship between pet and owner while avoiding unnecessary stress or discomfort for the cat. Ultimately, it is important to remember that, while some cats may look adorable in costumes or collars, their well-being and comfort should always come first.